Okay, so on the next worksheet, you have linear pairs. Find the value of x. The idea here is just to reinforce the idea that linear pairs are supplementary. They add up to 180 degrees with some algebra. So I will do the first one here, and all these will be set up the same, that this angle here plus this angle here has to add up to 180 degrees. Now you can set this up two different ways, really. The first is to say 82 plus this other angle, 4x minus 6, equals 180 degrees. Okay, now here you're solving for x. So when I do this, I can, I can combine like terms. 82 plus 4x minus 6 equals 180. Kind of don't know why I put it in parentheses, but when I go to combine the like terms, I can see the 82 and the minus 6. Gotta get those. So again, combine like terms before you add and subtract on both sides. So 82 minus 76, I believe, is going to be plus 76 equals 180 degrees. And then just solve this equation. This is a two-step equation at this point. Subtract 76 from both sides. So 4x equals whatever 180 minus 76 is. I believe that would be 104. Yeah, 104 plus 76. And then divide both sides by 4. And I get x equals 26. Okay, now the other way you could do it, and it's not going to be dramatically different, is you could look at the angle measure and say, okay, from here to here is 82 degrees. So from here to here, I need to figure out what the rest. I need to say, well, what do I need this to be so that when I add 82 to it, I get 180? So I believe the answer to that question would be 98 degrees. And so I can then say, oh well, let's solve it this way. It's a little easier equation when you set this up this way, because now you just have that, and you'll see it looks very, the setup's a little different, but when I add 6 to both sides, surprise, I get 4x equals 104, and then divide both sides by 4, divide both sides by 4. Same thing, no matter what, x equals 26. So 26 is the solution to this one. All of these are the same. They all add up to 180 degrees. So you can either do this, just do whatever you're given, adds up to 180, or you could say, well, if I know this angle measure, and I believe you know all the angle measures, the only reason you wouldn't be able to do this would be if, you have two variable expressions, but I believe all of these you have an angle measure and a variable expression. So you could just then find the missing degree, say, okay, whatever this angle is, subtract it from 180 to get the missing angle, and then say the algebra expression here equals that other angle. So you can do it either way. That's problem 1. You have 7 more to do on your own. Enjoy.